Good morning, class.
Chapter 5 Organizing. Today we are going to discuss about the departmentation and their importance and needs. We also discuss about the advantage and disadvantages of divisional structure. Definition of departmentation. We can define departmentation by the different author. So here, according to Cons and Doniel, departmentation is a process of dividing the large monolithic functional organization into a small and flexible administrative unit. Departmentation refers to the classification of activities on operation of an undertaking into functionalized categories. Here is the example of departmentation. Suppose if an enterprise deal in textile product and electronic goods, then there will be two separate departments for the product. Both the division will be run by separate units which are relatively independent without depending upon the other. The needs and importance of departmentation may be stated in the following way. Like first one is specialization, autonomy, accountability, competition, fixation of responsibility, appraisal, management of development, and lastly, administrative control. Divisional structure. In this, there is advantages and disadvantages both. So we are going to discuss both advantages and disadvantages. The following are the advantages of divisional organizational structure, that is grouping activities. These are the advantages. Development of divisional heads. Divisional result can be assets, quick decision making, assessment of product, easy expansion. So these are the advantages of divisional structure. Now come to disadvantages. It is expensive, economics of scale, inefficiency, strategic focus, sillious. So these are the disadvantages of divisional structure. Now we are going to discuss the differentiate between functional and divisional structure. Differentiate between functional and divisional structure. On the basis of formation, functional structure, it is developed on the basis of main function. At the same time, divisional structure, it is based on the basis of product or territories. Now the second point, that is focus. Under functional structure, it focus on the main functions of organization. Divisional structure, it focus on the main components of divisional. Now the third one is economy. So functional structure, it is economical. Divisional structure, it is not very economical because all the resources are required in different department. Fourthly, suitability. So under functional structure, functional organization is suitable for small, medium and even large enterprise. But at divisional structure, it is suitable for multi-product or diversified firms. Fifth one, coordination. Coordination is very difficult in functional structure, but it is simple in divisional structure. Sixth one, specialization. This type of a structure being functionalized specialization in functional structure, but it brings product specialization in divisional structure. Now lastly, responsibility. In functional structure, difficult to fix responsibility, but in divisional structure it is easy to fix responsibility.